Hey everyone, hope you guys are doing well. Back with a haul video right here. I'm actually getting ready to show you guys all the stuff I purchased while on vacation. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and there'll be more sales updates. I know people love those the most, but I wanted to show you guys this stuff, so hopefully it can help you guys out. Take care. Hey everyone, here is the stuff that I purchased while on vacation. Fortunately, we go up to June Lake and do some fishing, camping, all that stuff in California. While we're up there, I've convinced my family, my in-laws, and everything to go to a couple thrift stores on some of the days that we're there. So they put up with me and let me go there. So I went to three this year, found a new one, which was great. Got a couple things there, and the other two that I usually go to did pretty well. So we'll jump right in. We're actually going to start off with the clothes. First off is this North Face Steep Tech. Kind of see jacket here. This is the Scott Schmidt kind. These ones do okay. I didn't have great service in there. I looked it up and I saw that 50 to 100, sometimes 120 on some of these jackets. There was quite a variety. The size large. I really like the color on it. It's in good shape considering it is used. She wanted 25 bucks on it, and then I couldn't get good enough service after that to really truly look up comps better. So I just jumped on it at 25. Definitely paid up for it. I don't usually like to spend a ton on clothing items. There is a little bit of staining there. I'll probably better get that out. But it looks like a really good quality jacket. And for 25 bucks, I'm hoping at least 85 on it. And if we get 85, we're still going to make pretty good money. So that was pretty cool. The next thing was $4 at another thrift store. It's a Peter Millar Summer Comfort 2XL long sleeve. Really cool shirt. I like the color on it. Got a little mark here from when I was putting it in the car, the van that we rented, and it fell out the back and it landed on the dirt. So got to clean that up. Otherwise, it was really nice and clean. It's a super nice shirt. I know their stuff, Peter Millar stuff really has come down, but I looked up the Summer Comfort 2XLs long sleeve, and some of them still did pretty well. So like 30 bucks plus. So for $4, I thought that was a good deal. And then this was $3. It's a Phoenix Roadrunners. Looks like it's from the 90s. It's a CCM men's extra large. I think they're like a minor league hockey team or some kind of team like that. I love picking up minor league stuff because sometimes it sells even better. I think today I got an offer of 95 on a minor league baseball team starter jacket for 95 bucks that I had paid 15 for. So I paid $3 for this. I don't know what it's gonna sell for, but honestly, if I could get 25 30 bucks is a good deal. So now we'll jump into everything else, starting with the shoes. A pair of Caterpillar boots. These are steel toe. They were $7 at the thrift store. A little bit of wear on the bottom, but overall there's still life left. $7. I'm hoping 40 on those. I didn't really look them up that well. I don't have great service there, so I just picked them up and we'll see how we do. These are wading boots. They actually go inside of waders. The brand is Sims, so these slide inside of a wader, I guess. Kind of give you some support. They're a smaller shoe, that's for sure. Size 4, but they were $20. But I looked up. I did have a little bit of service in this part of the store, right near because these were sitting by the front desk, and these were some of them were going for like 70, 80 bucks. So for 20 bucks, I just grabbed them. They are in great shape. The leather looks great on them, so we grabbed those for 20. Like I said, if we can get 75, 80, we're pretty much in the money there. And lastly, these are some K2 snowboarding boots. 10.5 is the size. They're the Raiders. These came out on the cart when I got there for 25 bucks. No discounts, but they're brand new. Brand new boots. I think the brand new ones are listed for like 175, 180 bucks. Used ones are down in the 50 to 60 range, but for 25 bucks, again, I didn't see a bunch of solds on them, but I just jumped on it. They're brand new. 10.5 isn't. I usually want a little bit bigger size than that, but there's going to be enough. There's got to be some people who's looking for that size, and again, if we're at 100 bucks, we spent 25, we're still going to make pretty good money. So that was cool. I also got a bunch of ink. $2 for this Canon 210 211 XL. This is sealed. I'm sure that's worth 25 plus. I'm guessing. I didn't really look it up. They had all these other rings for 50 cents each. I wasn't sure about buying them, but I just looked up the Epson 79s, and they are expired 2015. But someone sold some expired ones, and they were getting about $8 a piece for these, and they were lotting them together. So I ended up just grabbing them all at 50 cents a piece. I figured worst case, you know, we'll make a few bucks off them. But there's a bunch of Epson ones all sealed, and then a couple of HP 96s that were also 50 cents. So we should do okay on those. Some 8mm TDK. This is a 6-pack. It was $3, 50 cents for each tape. I think the last set of these that I sold, I got like 25 bucks for something like this. So not too bad. It'll usually go in a padded flat rate, and we can make a few bucks there. Lost Season 2. $5, still sealed. This only goes for I think like 14 or 15 bucks shipped, but it was only $5 and it's gonna go medium mail, so it'll cost a couple bucks to ship it, a couple bucks in fees, and we might make $3 on it. But it's such an easy listing for me that I usually pick those ones up that are sealed. Here's a Suzuki manual. This isn't an OEM one. This is the Climber one. This was $1 for paperback books. I think it goes for like 18, 20 bucks, so pretty good there. This is something I don't know anything about. It's totally bored. It's a complete DVD collection, A Decade of Timeless Snowboarding. It was $6 for the whole set. And it's like a little snowboard collection, I guess. I couldn't find one of this set on eBay. So I don't know if it's just something that no one would want, or maybe it's just a little hard to find. But where we're at, there's a lot of snowboarding up in June Lake, so it's not surprised that it'd be up there. But I just grabbed it for $6 because I'd never seen it before. I mean, I figure it's got to be worth that. But if you know anything about it, let me know. We'll see. A couple other things. A bunch of remotes, $1 a piece. I actually had one other remote that I bought. It was a Vizio one, but I didn't realize that it's broken. So that one was thrown away. I think this Yamaha might be the best. $25, $30, probably 20 on the Panasonic. This one might go for like 20, 15 to 20. This is probably a 10, and this is probably a 10 or so. So I tried to grab the ones that I thought were pretty good, and for only $1 a piece, I'll jump on them. Haven't tested them yet, so we'll put some batteries in and test those. Also have a Parker pen set. This was $5. I usually pick up the Parker sets if they're $5 or less, and if it's a Parker 51, I'll pay more. Usually I can get at least $25 for a Parker set, so maybe 20 on the really worst case, but for $5 we jumped on that. Really cool, a Coleman 18-volt battery charger, fast charge. $5 on this. They have a refurbished battery listed for $60. Look up the Coleman 18-volt chargers themselves, though. They sell for like $30 or $40. So look out for those if you see them, because I know I've passed up a Coleman charger before because I thought it wouldn't be worth a whole lot, and now I'm kicking myself because it looks like they actually do sell. Sell-through probably isn't crazy, but they are selling for a good price when they do sell. So this battery, I would imagine at least $50 on it, based on this refurbished one going for $60, but I don't know how the sell-through is going to be. But for $5, always going to jump on those. An HP ink, this was $2, CC531A. Still sealed. A little stain on the box there, but it is still sealed. I wanted to say these were like $30 or $35, something like that. So it'll probably cost like $8 to $12 to ship it. It's not too significantly heavy. So if we can get that out, maybe pirate ship for $10 or $12, and we sell it for $30, we can still make some good money there. And lastly, this cleans with UV light, the Shuvi ultraviolet shoe deodorizer. I sold one of these by a different brand, and it was missing the power cord, and it sold for $30. This whole box was $5, and it is brand new. Everything in there has not been used yet. You can all see it's all in there brand new. So for $5, I jumped on it. I think the ones listed that are new are like $75, $80. Again, not a great sell-through on it, but I figured if someone really wants one, if I could list it for maybe $70 or best offer, take $50. Even though it's going to be bigger to ship, it's super light. I'll still probably make $25 on it when it's all said and done. So pretty good there. That's what I bought while on vacation. Even though it's supposed to be a time to get away and have fun, I still managed to have fun buying stuff for the business. So hope you guys enjoy. No, it's nothing crazy here, but wanted to show you guys what I found. And I will be putting up more sold videos. I'm trying to get caught up. I'm about 3 weeks behind. I've caught up a whole month while I was on vacation. So hopefully in the next couple weeks I can get totally caught up. So that when you see a what sold video, you'll see the one from the week prior and we'll be all caught up. Hope you guys enjoy.